Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 13 inorganic chemistry, and in this now we will start unit number 3, that is chemistry of F block elements. F block elements, that is 4F and 5F series elements. Then in the case of unit 3 chemistry of F block elements, first part is the lanthanides and second part is the actinides. In this video we will see introduction about the lanthanides and occurrence regarding lanthanides. So introduction of F block elements. The term lanthanide was introduced by scientist Victor Goldschmidt in the year of 1925. Lanthanide series comprises the 15 metallic chemical elements with atomic numbers are ranging from 57 to 71. That is from starting from lanthanum, and last one is a lutetium. So in the case of lanthanides, the 15 elements, first one is a lanthanum, then second one cerium, third one praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and last one lutetium. And the valence shell electronic configuration of the lanthanides is n-2 F electrons ranging from 1 to 14, n-1 D electrons ranging from 0 to 10, and ns2. So lanthanide series elements, lanthanides because they are so similar to the element lanthanum. So this is lanthanide series because all are having similar properties. So these are the 15 elements collectively called as lanthanides. So the transition element and inner transition elements in the periodic table. D block is called transition element and inner transition element is called as F block. So inner transition element, F block elements, that is 4F series lanthanide series and 5F series, that is actinide series. Actual position of lanthanide series is after 57 lanthanum proceeding this, but for convenience purpose they are kept at the bottom of the periodic table. So in the case of F block elements, the transition elements which are characterized by preferential filling of their differentiating electron, that is extra electron, in n-2 F orbitals constitute the F block of the periodic table. As the extra electron goes into the F orbital, these elements are called F block elements or F type elements or simply F elements. In other words, the elements in which F orbitals are partially filled are called as the F block elements. Since the F orbitals are rather inner orbitals in the atomic kernel, that is F orbitals are well buried in the atom as compared to the T orbital. Therefore, it carry additional name inner transition elements or sub-transitional elements. The F block element comprises of two series. First one lanthanides or lanthanon or 4F series, and second one is actinide or actinon or 5F series. So these are the lanthanide series and actinide series. Next we will see position in the periodic table. Their position are as follows, that is lanthanum. So it appears in the periodic table at row 6th row, and actinides appear at 7th row, and that is period number 6 and group number 3. So these are the positions for lanthanum, and period number 7 and group number 3 for actinides. If we put lanthanides and actinides into the periodic table, like transition metals, the table will be too wide. So the two rows of the elements present at the bottom of the periodic table are called as 4f series and 5f series. They are also called inner transition elements. So they are appears in group number 3 and period number 6 for lanthanum, and group number 3 and period number 7 for actinides. So this is the position in the periodic table. So lanthanides contain 15 elements and actinides also contains 15 elements. But in this video only we will focus on lanthanum. So lanthanum symbol La and atomic number 57. Then second one cerium symbol Ce, atomic number 58. Praseodymium Pr 59. Neodymium Nd 60. Then promethium Pm 61. Samarium Sm 62. Europium Eu 63. Gadolinium Gu 64. Terbium Tb 65. Dysprosium Dy 66. Holmium Ho 67. Erbium Er 68. Thulium Tm 69. Ytterbium Yb 70, and last one lutetium Lu 71. So in this series lanthanum to lutetium, all these elements collectively called as lanthanons. So in the case of lanthanides or lanthanon series, they are intervening between barium atomic number 56 group 2 and hafnium atomic number 72 group 4. There occurs a span of 15 elements which are called as lanthanides or better lanthanons. That is, they are positioned in between barium and hafnium. So they are collectively called as lanthanide series. So lanthanum atomic number 57, and the next 14 elements starting from cerium to lutetium atomic number 58 to 71, which follow lanthanum, closely resemble one another and form a distinct group. Hence these elements are collectively named as lanthanides. The term lanthanide is usually taken to include lanthanum itself, since the element is the prototype of the succeeding 14 elements. All have similar properties. So the electronic configuration of these 14 elements are obtained by successive addition of 4f electrons to the lanthanum configuration. So these are also known as rare earth because they are obtained in small quantities. Then most striking feature of all the 15 elements is that in each of these elements the 3 outer electrons 5d1 6s2 occupy exactly the same orbitals. Hence all are present in a single square, that is in third group and sixth period of the periodic table. So they occur together. They are difficult to separate from each other. They have similar physical and chemical properties. All show +3 as the most stable and common oxidation state. Then next we will see occurrence of lanthanides. The chief minerals of lanthanons are: first one, gadolinite. Formula is FeBe2Y2Si2O10. It is silicate ore containing 35 to 50% yttrium earths and 2 to 17% cerium earths. It is found at Sweden, Norway, Texas and Colorado. Then second mineral is genotime. Formula is yttrium PO4 or THO2 or zirconium oxide or silica. It is orthophosphate of yttrium earths. It contains 55 to 65% yttrium earths and 11% cerium oxide, 3% thorium oxide, and 3.5% uranium oxide. It is found at Norway and Brazil. Then third one ore is cerite. Formula is H2Ca Fe Ce3Si3O18 21H2O. It is hydrated silicate mineral because it contains water. It contains about 50 to 70% cerium earths and 8% yttrium earths. It is found in Sweden and Russia. And last one, monazite. Formula is thorium phosphate, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, lanthanum phosphates or lanthanum phosphates. It is orthophosphate of cerium earths. It contains 50 to 75% cerium earths and 1 to 5% yttrium earths and 2 to 25% thorium. It is found in Travancore, India. So monazite ore is found in India, but all other above 3 are out of India. And along with India, it also occurs in Brazil, South Africa, all these countries. So this is about the ores and occurrence of lanthanides. So overall in this video we have seen the position of lanthanides in the periodic table and their occurrence in all over the world. So thank you all of you for listening this video.